Hi friends, my name is Narsimha and I'm pursuing my BTech at Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Dundigal, Hyderabad. So today, as a part of my AIT Tech Talk videos, in the subject of Big Data and Analytics, I want to explain about the topic named Analysis on the Content Features and their Correlation of Web Pages for Spam Detection. So first of all, when we listen to this word spam, we all come across the emails which will be filtered as spam emails, which are sent by the senders who are unauthorized senders, and we all consider that such emails as unsecured and worthless emails. So, what is meant by spam? Spam means is sending by a person who is unauthorized, means no clarity is given in that email, and sometimes it may be harmful to our mission. So, coming to today's topic, analysis on the content features and the correlation of web pages for spam detection. So, let's get into the introduction. In the global information era, people acquire more and more information from the internet, but the quality of the search results is degraded strongly because of the presence of web spam. Web spam is one of the serious problems for search engines, and many methods have been proposed for spam detection. So, nowadays, when we are seeing in any of the technological world, means in our day-to-day life, we all use internet for scrapping the information of any topic. For example, we are using nowadays ChatGPT or any Google Chrome or any Google browser like Chrome or Quora, anything. We want to get the information about a specific topic. So while we are scrapping that information for a specific topic in any search engines, due to this presence of web spam, we are not getting a nice quality of information. Means the search engines is degraded strongly because of the presence of web spam. So, as we consider it is one of the serious problems for search engines, and many methods have been proposed for spam detection. Even though many methods have been proposed, there are still such type of situations which are being faced by the people in our day-to-day life. So, let's continue. So, this is a normal picture. So, impact on search quality. So, how this web spam will be impacted on the search quality and how the search engines are being degraded. Let's see. Web spam significantly degrades the quality of search engine results and erodes trust between users and search providers. It wastes users' time and computational resources. Coming to the arms race, the battle against web spam is described as ongoing arms race between spammers and anti-spam techniques. Both sides constantly develop more sophisticated methods to outwit each other. So coming to a basic example, first of all, what is web spam and where we are facing this web spam in our day-to-day life? So coming to a basic example. So when we are taking the information about a specific topic in any of the website, when we click any on the link, it will be sent to the another unauthorized page which is not opened by us. Means when we click, let's suppose this is the link impact on search quality. Suppose we want to search about the web spam. So is there then links like structure. When we click the link on it, actually the page should be transformed to the information containing the web spam. But it will be transformed to the other page showing that any virus is coming or any showing that any pop-up box like if you want to allow the cookies or something like different types of pages will be opened in our mobile phones or any search engines such as Google Chrome, and we all be facing this type of problem in our day-to-day life. So due to this type of structure in that web spam, so it will disturb the quality of search engines and also it will damage the trust between the users and the web search providers. And also the users the search providers at the same time, the spammers, both will fight each other, and there are many techniques to outwit each other. So even though the technology is being improved to eradicate such type of web spammers, then also the spammers being increased day-to-day life in our day-to-day life, and it is being very difficult problem for us to face, and it is very difficult to get such type of information in by using any of the search engines. So types of web spam. So how many types are there and what are they? There are actually the three main types of web spam are mentioned, such as link spam, content spam, and clocking. Coming to the link spam, manipulating link structures to exploit ranking algorithms like PageRank and TrustRank. Come to the content spam, Modifying page content often by inserting keywords related to popular search queries. Clocking. Presenting different content to search engine crawlers compared to what is shown to users using browsers. So coming to the one by one. Link spam, which I said before, there will be clicking the link on the web page, which we have to transfer the web page from one side to another side. But when we click on any of the link, sometimes it will be transformed to the page of an unauthorized person, created by an unauthorized person. So due to this, even our machine means laptop can be hang, and sometimes violence can be inserted into our laptop or any PC. Coming to the content spam. When we see in a page containing the information, sometimes the page can be modified with any of the keywords, and it can be eradicating the actual meaning of the content present in that page. Coming to the clocking. So presenting different content to search engine crawlers compared to what means actually we want to search some important information about a specific topic, but in this any of the search engines, sometimes it may be gone to the another page, and the actual topic which are we searching will be different to the topic which has been displayed in our PC. So next, so let's see common email spam file types. So 94% of malware is delivered via email. Office doc files is 45%, Windows apps is 26%, and other types is 22%. So any person want to insert virus into a laptop or any of the PC, and if they want to extract the personal information of any of the person by using the laptop. In our olden days, when we want to we want to know the personal information of any person, we have to fear that person, and we should grasp the information. But nowadays, all is in the form of technology. Means if we want to use in a right way, we can use it. Otherwise, you can use in a wrong way also. So any person want to take off our personal information from our the machine, I mean say of the laptop or PC, they want to insert the malwares into our machine. So one of the way in which any person can insert the virus or malware into our laptop is email. So the study says that 94% of email is delivered via malware is delivered via email. So when we are clicking any of the emails, some of the emails will be automatically filtered by the Gmail account as an spam emails. Means any person who have been before they have been intimated about this type of emails as spam. So any email has been clicked into our Gmail account, it automatically filters it to the spam email filter. Means such type of emails are very harmful for our laptops or any PCs. Coming to the importance of content features. So coming to the actual topic, the text highlights that one of the most successful techniques of our web spam detection involves analyzing the statistical properties of web pages content features. Non-spam and spam pages exhibit different content characteristics. So when we want to separate any of the particle into two of different types of parts, means any email we want to filter as a spam and non-spam emails, there are some of the such type of characteristics, means the space between the emails and the sender information which has been sent in the Gmail account, and also any highlight keywords or any links has been displayed on the email. So by taking consideration of these type of characteristics, the Gmail account can distinguish between the mail as a spam and non-spam. So important of content features. So in the same way, the web pages also have some content features. By analyzing the content features, the search engines can distinguish between the web pages as secure, means as spam or non-spam. Coming to the analysis of content features. The text explores various content features of web pages and highlights significant differences between the non-spam and spam pages for most of these features, which I said before. The content features examined are derived from the UK 2007-05 dataset and include factors such as number of words on a page, the number of words in the title, average word length, fraction of anchor text, fraction of visible text, compression rate, corpus precision, corpus recall, query precision, query recall, and entropy and independent LH. So actually, these are the features which have been extracted from the UK 2007-05 dataset. So the content feature means, which I said before, the characteristics of a web page to distinguish between the spam and non-spam web pages. There are some of the characteristics such as the number of words on a page. Means when the page is being displayed in the search engine, so the number of words per page means it is being fixed beforely. So if the number of words length, it means the frequency of the words has been exceeded from the limit, so the search engine can declare this the web page as a spam. So next, number of words in the title and also fraction of anchor text means the text being scrolled means we can see in some of the web pages like the text will be scrolling from left to right or top to bottom, some of the anchor text, and also some of the pages like heading text in the bold letters, and some of the keywords will be in this type, some of different different colors. So these are some of the content features which are being considered by the web search engines for distinguish process. So the analysis reveals that non-spam pages tend to exhibit more regularities in their content features compared to spam pages, which display fewer consistent patterns. Next, analysis of content features for non-spam pages. So as a spam pages, the non-spam pages also have some content features. So let's look at that. For non-spam pages, the distribution of the number of words in the page approximates a Poisson distribution. This suggests that an unusually high number of words on a page is associated with a higher probability of being spam. So the average word length distribution for non-spam pages exhibits an approximately bell-shaped curve with a peak in the middle and the tendency towards zero at the extremes. The distributions of the fraction of anchor text in non-spam pages is widely similar to exponential decay expected for very high percentages. So we all come across this bell-shaped curve, that is Gaussian density. So the average word length distribution for non-spam pages exhibits an Gaussian distribution function. So as we can see in any graph sheet or in any statistical appearance, we can see the bell-shaped curve in this shape such that a high level peak will be in the middle. And also if this type of distribution has been considered and displayed in the word length, then we can declare it as non-spam pages. So the fraction of visible text in non-spam pages follows an approximate log normal distribution within a specific range. The distribution of the compression rate for non-spam pages exhibits a Gaussian characteristic except for very high percentages. The entropy distribution of non-spam pages does not appear to follow a regular distribution. It is compared with both normal and reversed log normal distributions, with the latter showing a closer fit. So this is analysis of content features for spam pages, which I said before. So coming to spam filters, means in any Gmail account, for example, how this account can be known, means how this will be used for filters for distinguishing between the mail as spam and non-spam. So here we can see the sender, receiver, and also next spam page data, policy decision, and reject message. Or from this policy decision, it will be able to reject message or accept or tag message. If there is accept message, it will come into the inbox. If there it is a reject message, it will go to spam filter. And so tag message, it will further spam filters are being used on that message, and at last it will go to the inbox. So coming to the conclusion, the text provides is detailed analysis of individual content features in both non-spam and spam web pages, emphasizing the irregularities and differences that can be observed. It suggests that these differences can be leveraged to develop effective methods for spam detection. So thank you, friends. I hope my lecture is useful for you for understanding about the distinctions between the web spam and how these search engines have been distinguished between the spam pages and non-spam pages. So thank you, friends. Thanks for watching.